always remember your worth here, you guys. Always remember your worth. You standing up for yourself isn't showing weakness, that's showing your strength. You're gonna get cut down a decent amount, but for every time you're cut down, you're gonna get picked up 5 times more. So stay true to who you are and never let anyone walk over you. I don't care if they're a CEO, I don't care if they're the president of the United States. Seriously, you stand up for yourself. And if you do that, you'll go far. People like connecting with genuine other people. They don't want to just get a sales pitch 24/7. They want to know that, you have dogs and you're just a normal person next door too, because that's how they relate. So bring a little bit of that into your work and you'll be more successful, I think, because of it. People have written about these things over and over and over again, so whether you're looking up tolerances or taper sizes or whatever it may be on whatever you're working with, Google has it, and chances are there's like 50,000 pages for you to learn from, so don't forget about that. You have copious amounts of time to not be in front of the person that you're trying to sell your product to. So much time to learn, but you only have a small amount of time to be in front of the person that you're trying to sell to, if that makes sense. So what you do behind the scenes, just like if you're playing a sport, you're throwing free throws at your house for 12 hours, will then represent what you show on the court. It's what you do behind the scenes, so really know, really learn, really speak to people who have been in this industry longer than you, because there's so many people who are willing to support you. So my advice to you guys is, when you're getting in this industry, find an employer that supports you and supports your goals and supports the bigger picture. So take your pictures, put on your makeup, and go sell the dang product, you guys. Also, if you're taking pictures, like I said, you're selling your product. I walk on plant floors daily. I'm meeting with maintenance managers daily. It's not just a photo op, and you know that in your heart, and your employers will know that, and the people who truly support and follow you will know that too. So don't be scared to put on your face and show up like you would any other place in the industry. Sales and marketing, you guys, there's no facet that you have to be within in manufacturing to be in manufacturing. There's so many different areas and realms that you can go into. Haley and I are both marketing and sales. Well, I'm sales, Haley's marketing. But the thing that can set you apart in those positions is to try and learn your industry in the more technical manner. So if you see, if any of you follow either one, well, me on LinkedIn, I do the best I can to follow around my technicians, and I probably get super annoying, but I try and learn the machines. I try and learn the CNC machines, and I genuinely try. I'm not just doing photo ops. I'm asking questions. How do I grind this? What is this doing? What's this Kellenberger machine capable of? And if you really put yourself in that position and learn from the people who have the experience, it will make you better in your sales and marketing position, and you'll be successful in manufacturing in any facet that you choose to be in. Also engage with one another. It kind of goes hand in hand. Commenting, liking, messaging, emailing, whatever it may be on other women's posts just shows that you're there to support them. We all comment and interact on each other's social medias, and we're all there to support you guys. So women really, truthfully, lending a hand to other women is what's gonna bring us up in this industry, anywhere in life. It all starts with us. And men. We love y'all too. Yeah, there's so many people in this industry that aren't in your actual employment, like in your actual location, company, that's the word, that are here to support you, and you become like great friends with them on social media or whatever the aspect may be, that are just incredible individuals. So manufacturing really is like an incredible place to be, you guys.